In this video, we will learn how to insert blank line after each item of pivot table. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have a here huge data. So I'm going to insert pivot table. Go to the insert tab, click on the pivot table, click on the from table or range option. The range here automatically selected. Select the new worksheet and click on OK. I create here the pivot table, select the product ID, select the profit, and I select here category. Okay, so here I want the blank line after the product ID. So I just go to the design tab and click on the blank rows and click on the insert blank line after each item. That's it. Here you see after each item the blank line is added. If you want to remove this blank line, then again go to the design tab and click on the blank rows and remove the blank line after each item. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.